In today's world, tensions rise everywhere. People feel angry and afraid. It's easy to retreat into us versus them. Yet, here's a deeper connection to explore. It's the idea of human dignity. What does this mean? Affirming everyone's dignity means recognizing intrinsic worth. Every person, regardless of background or beliefs, has value. Not for what they can achieve, but simply for being human. This concept isn't exclusive to any one faith. It's universal, echoing through many traditions. Christianity teaches we are created in the image of God. Judaism promotes dignity as a core moral value. Hinduism sees every soul as divine. Buddhism emphasizes the worth of all sentient beings. These concepts matter. They lay the foundation for understanding humanity. Islam strongly joins this conversation. The Qur'an states, "We have indeed honored the children of Adam." This honor applies to all, regardless of faith or background. The Prophet Muhammad reminds us, "All of you are from Adam." No one is superior based on race or ethnicity except in righteousness. These teachings urge Muslims to reject division and embrace unity in our shared humanity. Despite these teachings, we still witness dehumanization daily. We see Islamophobia, anti-Semitism, and racism tearing at our societies. These injustices contradict the very dignity our traditions promote. So, what can we do? We need to uphold human dignity actively. Stand against anyone being put down. Listen with openness. Treat every individual, regardless of belief, with compassion. Remember, difference is not a threat, it's a gift. Upholding dignity is crucial for a just and peaceful society. In times of division, affirming dignity is our responsibility, a spiritual and moral obligation. Let's become bridge builders. Acknowledge that every person has something sacred within them. This is the essence of our faiths and traditions. Hold on to this message. Live it every day. Let's commit to affirming human dignity for all. Together, we can create a better future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel.